Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a folder on notes using the notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the notes application which is built in a Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Notes application, press enter, and now in the previous tutorial I did demonstrate to you how to create a folder many different ways. In this tutorial we will be looking to delete those folders. So if I now right click on a folder and delete a folder, if I now go to the folder, click on the three dots, we can also delete the folder. So two ways to delete a folder. So those are the two ways to delete a folder. Are there any other ways? Yes, there are. If we go to edit and delete, the folder itself has been deleted. Or we can use the keyboard to delete a folder. If I now right click to, let's just say, create a folder, let's just call it new folder, using the keyboard, delete, and the folder itself has now been deleted. So we in fact used 4 different ways to delete a folder. Let's just recap. So there's the folder, right click and delete folder, or click on more options, delete folder, or go to edit and delete, or use the keyboard key to delete using delete. So we can now quit notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.